Hi, Adam. I was just so inspired to make my testimonial. As I was driving, I just had to get out of the car and just whip it out of my heart. So here goes. I truly got so much inspiration and introspection taken away from our Zoom improv classes. It was so fun. Just connecting with everybody, collaborating with everybody, really seeing a different side of myself that is growing, that needs to grow, that also wants to come out and play, that I'm too scared and fearful of in the past. But now I'm growing confidence in this area. It's so true what you say, that improv is real life, and I want to continue to learn about myself. I want to continue to have fun. I want to continue to connect with people and see different sides of myself. I took so much away from your class. Your kindness and your heart, just the way it attracted a bunch of people that also had kind hearts, really spoke to me. And I'm excited to continue on with the group. So thank you again, Adam. And you're so inspirational. And this is completely improv right after driving away from a client.